And we want people everywhere to buy American.
When we open new markets, millions of new consumers buy American products.
Buy American.
Buy American.
Buy American. It's a simple statement, but in today's global economy, it can be difficult to pull off. The recent COVID-19 pandemic reminded Americans just how connected U.S. supply chains are to the rest of the world for so many industries, including auto. A car can be assembled in one country with parts from dozens of other countries, and with a badge on the car's hood from an automaker that could be an ocean away from where it's eventually on sale.
The global pandemic really changed everything. Factories shut down, slowing the assembly of new vehicles, and if a pandemic wasn't enough, a global microchip shortage further blocked new vehicles from coming off the assembly line. Other global events like the blockage of the Suez Canal and winter storms in Texas, they all impacted automakers' abilities to build vehicles and their parts.
Now, as states move slowly into post-pandemic recovery, some shoppers may find buying American especially important amid a resetting U.S. economy.
Cars.com's American Made Index really dives deep into just how American that car or truck in your driveway might be. We look at all the available data for 344 models sold in the U.S. for the 2021 model year, and we analyze a range of factors, from things like the car's final assembly location to the makeup of parts and factory workforce, just to name a few. We put all that together and we find out what it means to be American made. Now, every year when we put out this list, people are usually a little surprised to find that the top vehicles aren't all from GM or Ford. Certainly those cars feature heavily, but you'll also find companies like BMW, Honda, Toyota on the list because of the U.S. assembly plants they also run across the country.
So, what is the most American-made car for 2021? Out of 344 vehicles we studied, 90 made the index, with the California-built Tesla Model 3 grabbing the top spot because of its high domestic credentials. The Ford Mustang came in at number 2, followed by another Tesla, the Model Y, in third place.
Cars.com's American Made Index helps shoppers see which cars have the strongest domestic credentials amid what's really a highly globalized auto industry these days. Now, for those interested in making the biggest impact here, the index gives shoppers a way to purchase the most American-made vehicle.
For a complete list, visit cars.com/AMI.